dancing? Can you smile? You gonna twirl? Stop! What do you got in your shirt? What's in there? Are those drumsticks? Let me see those drumsticks. High five. Are you dancing? Smile. Smile. Take those silly drumsticks out. Say, I love you, Grandma. Let me see that drumstick. High five. Come here. What is this? Is this a drumstick? Let me see this one. You got 2 drumsticks in there? Go play the drums. Can you play the drums? Okay. What are you doing? Stop. Stop what? Okay. Stop being silly. Can you say Abby? Can you say Abby? What are you doing? I'm going to take these away. I got your drumsticks. I got them. Really? And then what? I'll get you. Can you say love you, Grandma? What's that noise? What is it? Elmo? She looks at the TV. No? Is it Abby?
Abby.
Say Abby. Oh, you want me to stop recording you? Is that what it is? Look, I'm trying to record to send to Grandma in Mexico. Say hi, Grandma. Say I love you. What are you looking for? I love you. Can you say hi?